Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix 7 days to die lost connection to server error. So guys, why this happened? Because the 7 days to die game server is in maintenance or in countdown. So you just need to set for this website, which is the 7 days to die server status, and just open up this website. Here you will see if there is any server is in maintenance or in countdown or in online. If you will see here is the server you are playing is in maintenance, then you just need to wait for it to come it back to the normal, and then you have to check your problem is fixed or not. And if server is not the problem, then it may be problem with your connection. So let's see how we can fix the problem with your connection. So first go to the Windows search and just type here the ncpa.cpl, and this control panel setting will appear on the top. So you just need to open it. Here you will see your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet. So right click on your connection and go to its properties. Now highlight the Internet Protocol version 4, then go to its properties. Then just click on the use the following DNS addresses, and in the preferred DNS type the 8888, and in the alternate type the 8844. Like this is the best Google DNS server. Then just click on the OK. Then just open up the Steam and launch your game and see your problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then go to the Windows setup with the proxy settings and just open it. And guys, here you just need to make sure that the manual proxy setup is off. If this is on, then just turn it off. And you also need to make sure that you are not using any kind of VPN. And if your problem is still not fixed, then go to the Windows setup with the CMD and just run as an administrator. And now here just type the ipconfig and space / and flush DNS. So this is the command that you need to type, and then just hit the enter, and this command will flush all the DNS resolver cache. This is very important. Then type the netsh and space and then winsock and space reset, and once you type it, then hit the enter. Then you must need to restart your PC to apply these changes. So once you restart your PC, then just open up the Steam, launch your game, and see your problem is fixed or not. And I hope guys one of the solutions work for you, and if yes, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me. And bye bye.